Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the interior lights on Astra J. First, we get this plastic out. Then we remove the lens right from here. Then we have 3 bulbs. We just pull them like this. W5W is the bulb. If it's not working, just try and reverse it. We did the same with the rest. Now we put the lens back. All good with the front. Now we do the back. In the back, first we get the lamp out. Then we unplug it from here. There's a small clip. Once you get the lamp out, you just press these pins here and get the lens out. The bulbs are the same like the front, only are 2 instead of 3. Then you put the bulbs back. Don't put the lens back in because you might have to reverse the bulbs. Plug the lamp back. After you put the lamp back, make sure the bulbs are working. If not, reverse them. Then you put the lens back.